Hey, what's up, guys? Inside Tech, and we got a program here that shows you the actual read and write speed of your SD card. All right. So what's really cool about it is it's actually doing it in 4K, I believe. But this shows you your card's read and write speed, okay, which is very important for the performance of the phone. If your phone has a slow card in it, it's going to be slow overall. There are programs that actually use the card and resources that are put on the card. So the faster, basically, what I'm trying to tell you is you got a Ferrari, the Note 9, 8 gig, 512 storage is like a Ferrari. So it's only going to be as fast as the slowest part. So if your SD card is slow, then you're going to have issues. If you see here, 746 read megabytes. It'll write in 238 megabytes, and it's got a couple other specs here. Let's see. So this is a halfway decent card, and what you really need is a class 1 that's designed for 4K to put that into the Note 9, or else the phone's going to run slow. And I think that's why a lot of people are getting a lot of slow benchmarks and problems. Oh, speaking of problems, this is specifically why your phone might have problems with the camera. If the camera's locking up or stuttering, or you're getting stuttering in a phone or glitches, this is specifically the reason why. You got a cheap card or the wrong SD card in your phone. Take it out and get a real one. They're pretty much on sale. You can get them online. They got a 400 gig out right now. That's like $130. They got really good Samsung ones and Evo ones that are like 256 for maybe, I think, like $48. Let's see what else. So, like I said, that's the camera issue, and the bugginess of the phone is all about a slow SD card. It's got to be class 1, all right? It's got to be designed for 4K. Don't buy the cheap ones. Your phone internally is getting so fast, and as soon as you use an application, it's got to access that card for information. And then when you take a picture, it's got to write that information to the card. So if the card is doing two things at once, so if the card is actually slow, it's going to lock the phone up. All right. So that was the same thing that happened to the Note 8, if any of you guys remember. So anyway, Android Bench, check it out. It'll actually test your card for you. You want to be way over. The card's going to want to, if the cards you buy in the store, specifically on the box, you want it to say over 80 megabytes read and write speed. Okay, if you get 100 to 120, that's what you really want. But 80 is fine, and that'll keep you your phone moving real fast. It's well worth the investment. Don't buy these cheap cards. Your phone's going to run slow. All right, so hope that helps you guys out.